was trying to do?
Yes, sir. I've waited and waited. Now we're going to come whether she goes hot or not. We're going to have fun.
Hey, here we go.
Well, hello everyone. It is Thursday, my Friday. Here at Never Done Projects, it's just a silly little YouTube channel. We've got 107 days to fun run cruisers, dragon tail of the Dragon Run. We've got 16 days to fun run cruisers drive-in. Metal Art Customs put both of them on. The drive-in is at Sydney, Ohio, at the fairgrounds. Everybody's welcome. If anybody wants to come or get information, Metal Art Customs, he's got it on his website. What I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to go up there and get on another live and see how that does, see if that helps out. I enjoy it, see if it helps out a little bit on the watch hours by doing it. And I did try to get in a few today, kind of snuck it around while I was doing something else. But I also got to make a video and then get in Daryl's premiere. The car's coming right along. I did get a sneak peek of it today. Beautiful car. I can't wait to see it in person. But that's what I got planned on today, and like I said, I don't have a whole lot of time, but that's what I'm going to try to do, and I might slide in a few things if I get a little chance, but we'll see. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy. Pick you something to do to make you happy and do it. You got to make yourself happy in order for everything to be right. There's no sense in living life unhappy. So try to surround yourself in positivity. Think positive, stay away from negativity, and stay away from negative people. Go out there and enjoy yourself and have a good day. That's all I can tell you. Do the best you can, put your best foot forward, and keep your head up. Life will get you down. That's why life is a four-letter word. Life will get you down, and it'll whoop you while you're down, and everybody else, a lot of other people will jump on you while you're down, and the best thing to do is stay positive. That's all I can say. I do want to tell everybody thank you for coming in. Thank you for coming into lives and watching and listening to me. Like I said, be happy and don't worry. Things will be all right. Remember, keep it silly. Thank you. Oh, no, I'll let you do it. Should be a little pad right behind that. You said it's driver's side, didn't you? Yeah. Should be a little pad, black pad right in there. I'm working way too dang bad to lean in that.
I don't know why my knees are so bad. Like I was sitting with Daniel, for God's sake. I can barely move, it's hurting me. I've taken my medicine a while, that's probably why.
Probably a lot to do with it.
And I have like 2 pills left.
So we keep an eye on him so he don't.
Black pad?
Should be a little pad or something to jack it up on to keep it from bending the frame around. I mean, the unibody. Use a little black pad or something. Huh? Like a what?
Looks like a little bar.
Yeah, well, it may be, as long as it's, let me look for your jacket, let make sure. I don't need to be doing it, right? Oh, no. See, there's something right there.
Right there?
Yeah, right there's something. And the beats and the wings, well, something like. I don't see a pad on it. It'll go under a little bit farther, I believe. Oh, yeah, it's not in. See what I'm talking about?
Silver kind of?
Yeah, it's like part of the frame. But this is a unibody to this. Somewhere in that car should be the Allen wrench. Take this thing off. I should have one, but I don't see it. That's good. I normally have them around here about 15. They're silver. Maybe this one should be it.
Yeah, this one good.
That's it. This thing's probably not in charge, so it probably won't work. There you go. Should be 4 of them. You do it by hand, you a hell of a man. Take it off and you drive a screwdriver or this screw.
I found out last night Nathaniel can cook, tell you what. He made something simple, but it was good.
It was good.
I think he roasted or some vegetables. He did it with green pepper too. And you know how I hate green pepper. But I ate that, it was good.
Amazing what you're able to get munchies. Look, see if you see anything in it. probably shit. Probably gonna be in there too. I've been doing last minute.
If you want to, you can start it. I can do that.
Stay on it about an hour. I mean, we get done with this, I'll just get on with this. You don't think somebody left out stock movies, do you?
Not Nathaniel or Brandon. No. If they would have done that measurement, you know, and I don't know, they would have done it on the back. You know? They didn't do nothing in Nathaniel's car. I was parked right next to him.
I mean, I just wondering.
Could it be the slides?
It could be anything, really.
Yeah.
What about the other side? He's got to feel better. He's chasing flies now. Yeah. Moving around a lot more. And we really been building. Still remaining season. Pretty much a month, you know. Well, 2 weeks, but still.
We got another week or so left.
No, he's not. Unfortunately. How much air did you put in it?
Calls for it in the back.
No, that's fine. We just said, oh, put in. Look and see if it bubbles up like that. That's what we're looking for right there. If it bubble up. Might have to.
Well, I think I put it at 44 because
This is better.
that thing keeps the thing in sheets kept messing up. Kept giving me an error. That probably makes sense.
cap off and put a little bearing or something in it, put the cap back on it, and that way it just slowly lets it out.
Yeah, but it's almost completely flat, so they haven't done that for a while. I mean, I went out to the bar a few times.
That's what makes me wonder if somebody let it out, because if it went out overnight, or maybe if it gets back there, he'll know on his damn foot because it started all over again.
That's what he's talking about.
He knows. The only thing I can do is fill that thing up with water and start the whole thing with water. Be right back. Yeah, sorry. Oh, no. It wouldn't let, but I put the thing in. That ain't good. We took that out.
Don't do that on that side.
I know, right? Fix his foot, because he's not going to be in here. I know what he'll do. He'll go. Be right back. Seven, come here. Back here for just a minute. Be right back. I gotta go get my eyeballs. I'm gonna have to make it through the hole, I just gotta find these holes though. big grinder just like that one, they silly. It's not handy to set your ball on it. It's about
That's what it usually was. About straight with
yeah. Turn that fan on. Well, let me find something here. That's all. Don't, cinch it down, just ease it and, it has a start pattern, yeah.
I know that much.
Well, star pattern would be 5 loads, 4 is just up, down, over, It's on target. That's good, you just mash that button anytime.
I don't know that.
Alright, now, go to the top.
Oh, okay. I was gonna tighten it.
If you're gonna tighten them easy, tighten them in the same pattern. Yeah, and this time hold just a little bit, let it pop 4 or 5 times, like that. Either watch it, or keep your finger on it to see if it's moving. You know, if it it'll vibrate with it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta put the cap back on it, but.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
You took it off, I have no idea. No idea.
What's the water?
Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
And I think that was it, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Or was it? May be wrong, but I think this was the first ever tire change for him.
The top, 7?
For you.
Okay, now.
I think you got it. Aim this right. Okay. Get it?
Yeah, I'm just going over it.
Yeah, don't do too much, it is moving wheels. And pull your thing back and let it down. All right, everybody. It is Thursday night, my Friday, but the storms hit, flood warnings come out, and I got to work tomorrow. Hopefully, I mean, ain't nothing but a flood run. As long as there's nothing wrong with the track, all I got to do is run it and make sure it's safe for the train to run tomorrow night. But anyway, here at Never Done Projects, it's just a silly little YouTube channel. Got 107 days Fun Run Cruisers telling the Drag and Run, 16 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive In. Metal Art Customs putting both of them on the cruise ins at Sydney, Ohio at the fairgrounds. Like I said, today's Thursday, 5/29/25. I did the live. It was real good. Last couple of days, it's got more and more people, and a few people come in. I'm waiting on it to happen, kind of like you had a few people, but we've had a few people come in, and I figure it's about time for a couple to hit and try to troll it, but I mean, everybody's been pretty good so far. So anyways, it is fun. I do enjoy it. I do plan on doing a little bit of changing when we get a little bit, this weather gets out of here. And the weekends is a little better for me, but I'll get this track run tomorrow. We'll try to get some stuff moved around. We'll get some footage up for next week, and I don't think you got it. But I am going to try to do a live tearing down the motor. I think that'd be pretty good. Get everything set up and come in and go live and take my motor down, so we can see exactly what it did to it once I get it out. See if it messed up the block. But anyway, I did a live. I made the video. That's what I've been waiting on right now for it to export and everything, get ready. And I was in Daryl's premiere. That old blue car looking good. Be honest with you, I mean, very few two-tone paint jobs that I like. There is some out there that look good, and I really didn't know how I felt about the blue and black. And but after seeing it, you know, the little sneak preview I got today while I was in Daryl's or Metal Customs live, I thought it looked pretty good. And I was kind of hesitant on that, which the car's going to look magnificent no matter what. But as far as, you know me, I wanted my whole truck orange. And I like everything, you know, one color. And but when he untaped that thing and then pulled the red pinstripe off, that looked good. That absolutely looked phenomenal. I can't wait to see it in person. But that really made it look good. That you don't think that pinstripe would do what it did, but it actually just made everything just go right. And like I said, I can't wait to see it all together. I mean, up in person, because it's going to be awesome. But anyway, like I said, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy. Life's too short not to be. I mean, I want to harp on that because and I'm going to, because I want everybody to understand there is no reason to be walking around mad all the time or upset. And like I said in one of my other, everything that goes on is your fault. I mean, one way or the other, something led you to that. I don't care if you were going down the road and the car crossed the line and hit you head on. If you'll think about it, there's probably a damn good chance you could have went a different way, but you chose to go that way. So you can kind of follow everything back, and if you'd have made better decisions. And when I say that, I'm not meaning the wreck's your fault, but as far as, you know, you made the decision to go a different way, or you made a decision to do something is normally the way it unfolds. And you can't really go through life blaming everybody else. Take responsibility for yourself. Fess up to your actions, and your actions recruit cause other people's reactions. So think about what you're doing. Stay positive and do the best you can. Hang around positive people that want to lift you up, and stay away from the negativity and the negative people that wants to keep you down. You don't need it in your life. If you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. If you got more than one, pick one that's going to make you happy for right now, and let's get on and get started. A 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. You can't get done until you start. So let's get out there and be happy. And remember, keep it silly. And thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate it. Y'all have a good night, day, or whenever you're watching this. Thank you.